Let us discuss about voltage regulation and phasor diagram of alternator. Let us see what is the definition of now voltage regulation. Voltage regulation definition. Voltage regulation is defined as the change in voltage from no load to full load, and that value is divided by full load voltage. That means change in voltage from no load to load, which is equals to no load voltage minus full load voltage divided by full load voltage. So finally the percentage voltage regulation is equals to no load voltage minus full load voltage divided by full load voltage into 100, which is equals to E naught minus V by V into 100. ఇక్కడ E naught minus V అర్థమెటికల్ డిఫరెన్స్, ఫేజర్ డిఫరెన్స్ కాదు. ఫేజర్ డయాగ్రమ్ నుంచి డ్రా చేయట్లేదు. డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది జస్ట్ అన్ అర్థమెటికల్ డిఫరెన్స్. The factors which are affecting voltage regulation are first the IARA drop, second one IAXL, and third one is voltage change due to the armature reaction. Next one is phasor diagram. This is the equivalent circuit of an alternator. So this is the phasor diagram, and here the parameters are, this is an armature resistance, and this is leakage reactance, armature reactance, and these two, that means XAR plus XL is equals to XS. E naught is no load voltage and the V is the terminal voltage. Let us consider a star connected alternator and which is supplying an inductive load. When the alternator supplying an inductive load, the current lags the voltage by an angle phi. So here we are taking terminal voltage as a reference, and we have to add the odd drops to get a E naught. So first add IARA drop in phase with the IA, and IAXS drop exactly 90 degrees leading to the IA. So finally we will get E naught. So the sum of voltage and IARA and IAXS gives the voltage E